Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your Frigidaire Gallery Nugget ice maker suddenly stops doing its job, it's easy to assume something serious has gone wrong, but that's not always the case. Sometimes the machine powers on, lights appear normal, yet no ice is being produced, which makes the issue feel confusing. These units depend on a continuous cycle involving water flow, freezing, and ice release, and if even one part of that sequence gets interrupted, the entire system pauses. It could be something as simple as water not reaching the internal system correctly, or a minor blockage affecting performance. Instead of guessing, going through a clear step-by-step check can quickly bring it back to life. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do to get your Nugget ice maker running again. Try these. 1. Power off the unit and unplug it to reset internal functions. 2. Empty and refill the water tank with fresh, clean water. 3. Clear any jammed or partially formed ice inside the machine. 4. Clean internal components and remove any visible buildup. 5. Place the unit in a well-ventilated spot with proper airflow. 6. Plug it back in and allow a full ice-making cycle to complete.